Well, Brandon's out hunting now, so we're just kind of doing what we can without making too much noise for camp. We decided to make a little fence for stacking our wood along. There's a little bit of a drop off here, so we're going to just stack up our wood here for the fire pit. We finally have enough rocks. Just about have enough rocks. We need to add some more. I'll show you this fence a little bit more. Austin's finishing up the process. We're tying on some paracord in between the stake posts. You can see there's a bit of a drop off here, so this will be nice, something to stack our wood against. We have posts every 2.5 feet or so on each side, and we just use some rotten logs that we found throughout the property. And now we'll move this wood pile here and put it over here, and then we'll be able to put our tables in that area there. So we'll be a little more organized here at camp. Just a little update. We got our little fence put up and we stacked the wood up. Getting ready to cook dinner now. It's almost dark, so I figured I'd give you an update before we put the cameras away for the night. We're gonna do some venison burgers again. I'm gonna use shredded lettuce. Austin's cooking some bacon on the wood stove. I don't know if you can really see it. Cooking some bacon on the wood stove to do some bacon deer burgers. We'll use the tripod for the burgers. But until then, we will see you guys tomorrow, unless Brandon's out right now. Unless he shoots a deer, we're waiting to hear back from him. We'll see you in the morning. So our friend Andy, who's up in the UP right now, he's deer hunting. He told us to listen into to Y101 out of Ontonagon in Superior County, up in the UP of Michigan. So we're just sitting around. We're gonna have some beers and listen in to the buck roundup is what they call it. So we're gonna listen in and see what's going on in the UP. Our other buddies are up there at deer camp, and we're here in Southwest Michigan at deer camp, so it's pretty neat.
Now we have Cody Bonini with his 8 point at 139.5. And he said that he'd like to give a shout out to Dean Googe, and that's the cook at the Mosquito.
Oh, okay.
At the Mosquito?
And he'd like a shout out to Cameron.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool. I didn't hear that. Avery.
Alrighty.
Then there was Logan Lloyd, 18 years old.
Okay, so he's
18 still part of the, okay.
18 and under.
Okay, 18 years old with an 8 point, weighing in at 161.1.
Dang.
Wow.
Dude.
And his shout out is to the OK Corral. Number 29 just came in, and this was Mike Evans from Greenville, Michigan. He didn't really give me a camp name, but he brought in a really nice 8 point that weighed 172 pounds.
Dang.
Okay.
They had a shout out to Camp Depew because apparently their deer was, the Evans camp deer was bigger than theirs, but they wanted to say thanks to the DNR for making the old guys with pacemakers drag their deer because they weren't allowed to use ATVs to drag it out. So thank God none of them are dead, because I tell people all the time this is not a place for a medical emergency because you're just going to die. So
You're so pleasant.
yeah, I am.
Use it for
You're realistic is what it is.
Well, I mean, yes, that we'll call it that.
Okay.
Realistic. And we have a couple of messages. One to Boone's Camp. Good luck this year from Camp Wackham and Stackham.
Nice.
Yeah. We'll have
Anyone
one
out
for
there
you,
has
Andy.
any
Yeah.
deer hearts
Yep.
that they're not going to eat, that are not destroyed by bullets, that she has an AP bio class and they need 4 deer hearts for dissection.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
So,
that's to you, Andy.
anybody out there willing to drop off a
Andy,
deer herd
Jason,
of hobbies, I
and
can't believe
Don.
everyone will accept these, but
At Whack 'em and Stack 'em
Papa,
Camp
I
up in
will
the UP.
because-
Good morning, everyone. Sadly, it's our last day here at camp. We're gonna make some breakfast and get cleaned up, everything ready to go. We have our bacon going on top of the wood stove. We're gonna make little breakfast sandwiches again like we did yesterday. They turned out really good. So just got the fire started again out here. Got a little bit colder last night. The wood stove kept up, but I had to get up about every 3 hours or so, and I filled it as full as I could get it. So a little bit different than the night before. They last about 4 hours. So we're gonna work on making this breakfast, get cleaned up, and then start packing everything up. Sadly, it's too early to go. Well, we made it back to the homestead. Glad to be back. It was I don't know, 3-day weekend sort of. We got off a little bit early, worked Friday, and made it to deer camp. Got set up. Wanted it to be a little bit longer, but we're happy to be home. I got to use my four-wheeler again. Mostly parked in the garage most of the time. Had a really great time. Austin and Brandon are my two brothers, and really glad to be able to start doing these kind of things together. Obviously, we want to try to make any kind of traditions that we can for ourselves instead of kind of tagging along to an old-timers and wishing that we did it years down the road. So really had a great time. Thanks again for watching. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate all of you, and until next time, I'm Justin with JB Outdoors. Remember to spend more time outdoors no matter what time of year it is. Just try to enjoy yourself, and we will see you next time.